bawas ang buwan. Wala pa sa
Horses in. Horses out. We have Time Enchanted. Pass to begin. Rushing up on the outside now to take the lead is Iron Chef. It's now Iron Chef by about 4 lengths. Time Enchanted in second. Moving up on the outside about 5 wide comes Doña Gelay. In the middle, Nitty Gritty, Home Run King, and Binget in that order. As they lead the straight, Iron Chef as solo leader by about 6 lengths. And in second is moving up now is Doña Gelay. Time Enchanted drives back in third. Then in fourth, Nitty Gritty, Home Run King, and too far behind is Binget. As they swing down the bank, Iron Chef by about 5 lengths. Doña Gelay still in second. Coming closer now, the outside is Nitty Gritty. Time Enchanted also moving up down the inside to take third. Then comes Home Run King and Binget. Iron Chef by about 4 lengths. Coming closer now in second is Nitty Gritty. Time Enchanted still in third. Doña Gelay, Home Run King, and Binget. Iron Chef by only a head. Moving up down the inside now is Nitty Gritty to take the lead. It's now Nitty Gritty by about 2 lengths. Iron Chef drives back in second. Home Run King and Treasure and Time Enchanted. Last 75 meters. And it's still Nitty Gritty. And finally, Nitty Gritty, Iron Chef, Home Run King, Time Enchanted, Binget, and Doña Gelay.